Hello, I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change Reason language on Amazon app. Now before moving on, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any future upcoming videos. Now let's jump into it. Firstly, open up the Amazon app and make sure to get logged into your account. Now from the home page, tap on three lines at the bottom right. Now choose the second option, Settings. Now choose the very first option, Country and Language. Now here you will be able to see the second option, Language. Now tap on that option. Now pick the language. Now once you pick the language, scroll the screen to the bottom and then tap on this yellow button. Now here you can see you have changed your Reason language on Amazon app. And that was the quick and easy video on how to change Reason language on Amazon app. If this video helped you out, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Keep watching.